So much. Delegates from around the world are gathering in Kenya this week for the first meeting of the UN Environment Assembly. They're searching for solutions to some of the planet's most pressing environmental challenges. CCTV's Kofa Mrenje reports from Nairobi.
A groundbreaking summit with representatives from government, business and civil society across 160 nations. And they have a packed agenda, from air pollution to the state of the earth, to plastic waste in the seas. But it's tackling poaching that is the big mission, and these delegates are determined to make a difference.
We are concerned, first of all here at UNEA, to bring to the world's attention that much of what we see on the frontiers of the battle against poaching and illegal trade has reached a point where it is threatening literally the survival of some species.
According to a UN report last week, about 20,000 elephants were slaughtered across Africa last year, and about 1,000 rhinos too. The ivory or the horn finds a ready and lucrative market in the Far East. China is playing a leading role at the UNEA summit, with ministerial meetings and a BRICS gathering on the schedule. Delegates here have a lot of ground to cover in the coming days, and they have some ambitious goals too. They are hoping, though, that by the end of the week, they'll have some workable solutions on the table and the consensus to put them into action. Kofa Mrenje, CCTV, Nairobi, Kenya.